Hi guys, this is Nadia from Cognito Forms, and I'm going to show you how to easily create multi-page forms. Using multiple pages is a great way to break up long forms, as well as group together related information and help pace your users through your form. To start, I'm going to open up my form builder. For this example, I'm using the employment application template. It has a section at the top here for general applicant information, a section for education information, and then an area to list out references. So let's say I want to put each of these sections on their own page. To do this, I'm just going to add another field where I want the second page to start and select Page Break. Alright, now our form has a second page starting here. Over in the Page Break field settings, you have the option to edit the text for the next button that takes users to the next page. You also have the ability to determine when the next page should be accessible. By default, the next page is set to always accessible, but you can use some basic or complicated conditional logic to determine this instead. In this case, we can make the second page appear only when the applicant fills in both their first and last names. To create a third page for the reference section, you can once again just insert a page break. Since this page break is between the second and third pages, you can now give users the option to return to the previous page, as well as edit the text for the back button that takes them there. To get an idea of what our form currently looks like, we can take a look at the form preview. You'll see that we have a page 1 and a page 3. Then, if we fill in the first and last names, the conditional logic we set earlier will cause the second page to appear. By the way, when you're previewing a form with multiple pages, the form validation toggle at the bottom here is going to be your best friend. Rather than having to fill out every required field in order to navigate through the form, just switch the form validation off and you can quickly select a different page. Now that our page breaks are set up the way we want them, we can go to our form settings to customize the appearance and format of our pages. Right now, our progress bar is set to the steps option, but you can also change this to a bar, or you can just not show a progress bar at all. You also have the option to show or hide page titles and edit the page title text. And lastly, you can choose whether or not to display the page numbers at the bottom of the form.